guys and girls, I bring you the Tressallure Feathered Bob. Soft, sweeping layers, feather and fall just below the shoulder. This is one of my favorite Tressallure styles. It is surprisingly light. It has a very natural density to the heat-friendly fibers. It features Tressallure's sheer, comfortable lace front. It has a soft mesh full monofilament top, so you can part this style left, center, or right. Now, the heat-friendly fiber is Tressallure's effortless stylable fiber. You can add waves, curls, straighten this hair, whatever your heart desires. Well, let's take a closer look at this gorgeous, very natural new style. Feathered Bob's cap has a 1 1/4 inch lace front that's temple to temple and sheer for a very natural looking hairline. The monofilament top, like the lace front, is 100% hand tied. It is made of sheer, soft mesh for the ultimate in comfort. On either side of the cap, you have velour covered adjustable ear tabs. The sides and the back are open wefted for air circulation and scalp coolness. The cap's lateral wefting has stretch, which provides secure comfort in the fit and molds itself to the contours of your head for an almost custom-like fit. On either side of the extended velour nape are Velcro adjusters, which allow you to adjust the circumference of the wig cap up to 1/2 inch. Feathered Bob's cap size is average. It fits a head measuring 22 inches in circumference, exactly my head size. Now I took this wig out of the box and on the loosest setting of the adjustable straps, put it on my head. It fits me perfectly. Now if you have a slightly larger than average head size, I think that this style would accommodate you very well. The fiber is the effortless, stylable, heat-friendly fiber of Tressallure. So soft to the touch, a very fine denier, very natural looking density. You can use heat styling tools up to 350 degrees to style this beautiful wig. Add curls, waves, whatever your heart desires. Let's take a look at the beautiful lace front. So well done. Temple to temple and sheer. 100% hand tied, as is the monofilament top. Now I have it parted to the left. Take a look at that natural parting space. Let's part this style down the center so you can have a look at what the style looks like. Very pretty. Let's part it to the right. It is really, really easy to work with these fibers, which is why I love it so much. Now, if you find that when you part the wig, the fibers do not lay down in the direction you need them to, you can use a warm washcloth and press it on the part, and it will help train the fibers. The steam from the washcloth does that. Now, because this is a heat-friendly wig, you can also use heat. Let's take a look at this beautiful style from all sides. The front, left side, the back. I love the length of this style and the flipped up ends. Right side. Feathered Bob's measurements are 4 to 5.5 inches here at the front fringe. The crown is 8.5 inches to 10.5 inches. That's the layers throughout. And the nape is 9 inches long. Now weighing in at 3.88 ounces, that tells you all of the density that you get with the style, though it is so lightweight to wear. Now let's talk about this fantastic color, 1426 R10. This is a blend of gold blonde, light red, and the light red is so light you can barely notice it. Light brown, and it has medium brown roots. Well, to get a better look at this color, let's go outside in natural light. You have unlimited styling options with Feathered Bob. The heat stylable fiber can be curled, straightened, you can add waves. You have the full monofilament top so that you can part this wig in any direction that you choose. This style looks beautiful, tucked behind the ear. You can also use a hairband to secure this style in a low ponytail. And if your natural hair matches the color that you purchase, you could even try a high ponytail. What a pretty look! Because you have this fabulous lace front, you can wear off the face styling with this wig. You can just finger comb it back, or you could use a headband or a barrette, of course, to pull the fibers back off the face. Very natural looking hairline. If you're interested in purchasing Feathered Bob, I highly recommend the website pinkypromise.com. They carry this style in all of the beautiful Tressallure colors. They have great customer service and free shipping. Now when you visit the website, on the home page, scroll down to the bottom, sign up for the mailing list. You'll immediately receive a 30% off discount code, good on your first purchase. Plus you'll receive email alerts to fantastic sales and wig brand new releases. Now if you have questions about the style or the color, I'm more than happy to answer. Please leave those in the comments section below the video. Now if you wear Feathered Bob, we would love to hear your experience with this wig. Please share. Be sure to subscribe to my channel. Subscribing is free, and you'll receive alerts every time I upload a wig review, color comparison video, and much, much more. Well, thank you so much for watching. Take care. Bye-bye.